that it was me spilling through these things I was trying. It wasn't the things I was trying, it was me. I was bringing the same me to the market every single day, and of course experiencing the same results every single day. No, I changed the things I tried, but experienced the same results. Why? Because it's not the things I was trying, it was me. I stayed the same, my results stayed the same. What I tried changed, but my results did not change, which tells me it wasn't the things I was trying, it was me. The common denominator was me. Do you understand this? I'm not seeing any comments here. Am I frozen? Do you understand this? Oh, shoot. I eliminated your pen. Juliana, please pen it again. Does it make sense to you? All right, cool. I'm just trying to look at your comments there. All right, awesome. So I learned that if you don't decide to last, I don't care what you go through. As long as you are not destroying another person's life, you last. You do whatever it takes to last. Outlast every single naysayer. Outlast every single hater. Outlast every single doubter. Outlast every single critic. Outlast your problems. They can't last forever. Outlast your hardships. Outlast the dark periods. It can't stay dark forever. That's not how the universe works. Outlast it. Whatever you have to do, don't quit. Don't stop. The only time, now I'm not saying there are moments to stop. Yes, if you are going to destroy someone else's life to pursue your dream, then maybe you need to stop. We don't have the right to destroy other innocent people's lives that have nothing to do with our dream, but their lives are being destroyed because you want your dream. No. But as long as that's not the case, don't ever. Do you understand what I'm saying? My mother just said, Oliver, never say never. Well, I'm saying never. Mom, I'm saying never. Never stop. Ever. And you will find that whatever's holding you back, you have outlasted. Everything is now behind you. And when most of your hardships are behind you, when the dark tunnel is in front of you, it's scary. But when you go through it and last, just keep putting things behind you. Go through that. Now what was in front of you and scary, now it's behind you. Next, boom, now I'm going to go through this hardship. And one day, that hardship's behind you. And then you say, okay, what next? Then another hardship is going to present itself. Another bad period. And you go through that bad period. And then that period is behind you. And you say next until you start to frickin' run out of dark periods. It's limited. It's not infinite. Darkness is not infinite. Bad periods are not infinite. You will eventually outdo all of them. They will be behind you because you lasted. Get enough of them behind you, you start to see the light. It's the light, like an insect. Ah, the light. Last.